Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Anker Zolo Powerbank. So this is currently on sale at $26.99 and you get another 10% off. So you get £24 something it is. It's usually £50, so pretty good deal I'd say. So this is a 30-watt power bank, 20,000 milliamp hour, so pretty good. So this one will support super fast charging on Samsung. So super fast charging requires 25 watts. This is 30 watts, so this will give a faster charge for my phone anyway. And there's the next level up, which is on the newer phones, which is 45 watts charging. But I don't have that yet, so there's no point in getting that power bank apart from future proofing, which if it comes down in price I will do, because they're more expensive than power banks. So yeah, stay tuned if I do get one of them. So the packaging is pretty normal. Got the blue and white packaging. Anker Zolo. Sorry if I'm a bit quiet, it's 5 AM in the morning. Here goes I. But you know, success doesn't wait around, you have to keep it going. Right. So it's got fast charging built in, 18-month warranty. Anker Zolo, 20,000 milliamp hour, 30 watts, and it's got a USB-C built in. So the model number is A1689. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Sorry guys, there you go. Nothing else in there. I like this design, guys. Yeah, safety sheet. What the hell? Anything under the safety sheet? Nope. What's under here? Nothing. Oh no, they gave a cable. So they gave you a USB-C to C cable, a very small one. That's to recharge it. Don't think there's anything else under this one. Nope, nothing else there. Here's the device itself. Let's go ahead and take this out. Bloody hell. Just have to demolish this rather than keep it. This packaging. We can do this packaging anyway. Oh, that is nice. Bloody hell, that's a nice design. Look at that design, guys. For a power bank, that is sick. That looks bloody beautiful. Look how shiny that is. Oof. What the hell is that? Oh, it's see-through. The case is see-through. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but this top layer is see-through. That is a sick design. So you can actually see a bit through. Can you see that? That's inside. This should have a screen on it. Let's see. So you got a normal USB port there, which is good. Because some Anker power banks, they don't have that. So make sure they have that, because that's always what you should have. It's good to use on normal devices, you know. Not every device has USB-C. And not always, you don't always have a USB-C to C cable. Okay, it's quite chunky, but it is what it is. Right, moment of truth. It come on 30% charge. It's okay. There's your screen there. Here's your USB-C cable. Does it come out? How does it come out? Oh, it uses a bloody hook. Right, let me tell you. Okay, so it sits in there nicely. Very nice braided cable. It's a flat one, because it's braided, it will last a long time. And then when you finish with it, you just pop it in here. It's got a nice connection there, so it just hides in there. Alright, now if I take this out, I'm going to plug this into my phone. See if it starts super fast charging. It's the time for moment of truth, guys. Super fast charging, yes. You just don't have to take my word for it, guys. But it did say on my screen super fast charging. So the purpose of this power bank has been met. It's got super fast charging. So the last power bank I did on my channel, that only had fast charging, which was good enough for me. But this has super fast charging. So what difference does that make? Not that much. It's just slightly faster. It'll save you about 20 minutes of the full charge, which is alright. I'm not bothered anyway. So that's really happy. I'm happy with that. So now I've got the fastest charger available for my phone. I can't get any faster than this, so I'm happy with that. Alright, so there's your specs. Should turn the flash off. Yeah, no. And you know what? I'll zoom in and I'll put the exposure down. That doesn't work the best either, does it? Alright, I'll just read it to you. Right, we got the model A169, 20,000 mAh. So it uses two batteries basically, which are 10,000 mAh each. The USB-C cable built in. So the USB input, so this is what you can charge it back with. You can do 12 volts at 1.6 amps, which is decent. So it can recharge very fast. Output, the highest you can do is 30 watts, which is good. Okay, and on the normal USB it can do 12 volts at 1.5, which is normal fast charge with this port. So you can get 30 watts with this port and this port, 22.5 watts with that one. So yeah, I'm highly impressed. Thank you, Anker. Made one hell of a product. But yeah, as you can see, you touch a little bit, you get fingerprint marks. Because that's the material. Do you see that? I've got the driest finger in the world as well. Look how dry my hand is. Look, touch it one little bit, it's a fingerprint magnet that. So you will be wiping that down all the time. Unless you can't see it with the flash off. Let's see. You can't really see it, but you know. So yeah, highly recommend this power bank. This can be my new daily power bank. Just because it's got the fastest speed available. At the time of buying the other power bank, I didn't have this wasn't on sale, and it was very expensive. So now I've got two power banks. One very fast, and the other one super fast, one very fast. This is the fastest, obviously. The other one I'm going to use as a backup, I guess. So yeah, highly recommend this product. Check out my link in the description to buy one. See you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.